This is my second batch of doll. Do you see that?
Yeah, my
This one belongs to Chris lah. Look. It's Tiger, Winnie the Pooh's friend. Cute, huh? And I'll show you something more. I have this one. You see? So long. What am I gonna measure? I don't know. Maybe I will measure how fat I am. Hey, Chris, come. Your tiger, you like it?
Yes.
Yeah? And then what am I gonna do with this? This one is like measure what? I'm still thinking the maximum measurement is
She's thinking about measurements.
150.
My God, this woman is thinking about measurements.
No, I said I'm gonna measure how fat I am lah.
No.
Like so how big and how wide I am.
I didn't do my hair.
No need lah. I'm still handsome what. Okay, bye bye.